How to perform Windows system file check using SFC scannow in Windows 7. Step 1. Open command prompt as administrator. Type cmd in search, then right-click on the cmd.exe icon, then click on Run as Administrator. Now, running as administrator is important to perform certain privileged tasks in the computer. Step 2. In the command prompt, type the following command and then press Enter. sfc/scannow. Note: do not close this command prompt window until the verification is 100% complete. The scan results will be shown after this process is finished. And that's how it is done.